Hello everyone, this is Tooba Khurram. So before we dive into the details of our presentation, let me introduce the talented individuals who collaborated on this project with me. Please join me in welcoming Rida Batool and Nida Ali, who have each played a crucial role in bringing this project to life. Okay, so our topic is gender inequality and its consequences on economy. Okay, so what gender inequality actually is? Gender inequality stifles economic growth by limiting opportunities for women in the workforce and education. Economies miss out on valuable contributions, and this discussion will explore the ripple effect of these disparities on productivity, innovation, and overall prosperity. Okay, so let's understand inequality. Okay, let's suppose once upon a time in a bustling society, the word inequality create weight beyond many numbers. It was a silent force shaping lives, influencing health, education, crime rates, and even dreams of a better future. Imagine a world where women, despite their talent and potential, face barriers in education and job opportunities. This not only held back their individual progress but also dimmed the collective brilliance of entire community. Okay, now picture this. In a land where women earn less than men for same effort, it was not just a matter of fairness but a drag on economic efficiency. Resources were misallocated and talents were underutilized simply because of gender biasness. It was like a beautiful garden deprived of water with flowers unable to bloom to their full splendor. Moreover, society missed out on nurturing its human capital fully when half of the population couldn't access education or skill building opportunities. It was akin to stunting the growth of a mighty tree before it could spread its branches wide. In this tale of societal dynamics, inequality was not just a number on a chart, it was a thief stealing possibilities, potential, and progress from every corner. Only when these barriers crumbled and opportunities were truly equal did society realize the true potential and power of its collective human capital. And that's, my friend, is the transformative magic of equality. Imagine a world where every individual could thrive in the workspace regardless of gender. Unfortunately, the reality depicted in the Global Gender Gap Report 2023 paints our concerning pictures. It reveals how gender inequality significantly affect our labor markets, particularly for women. The report shows the women face disparities in economic opportunities compared to men, while there has been some progress with women re-entering the workspace slightly more than men. The overall gender gap means that although we are moving forward, we still have a long way to go towards achieving true gender parity. Key of concern highlight delighted in report is the difference in skilling patterns. One key area of concern highlighted in the report is the difference in skilling patterns. Women often require more time to acquire certain skills compared to men. This delay can limit job opportunities and innovation, which in return slows down economic progress for everyone. Let's discuss how gender inequality is divided. The first topic is gender wage gap. Now the question arises, what is gender wage gap? For instance, in a company where women are paid less than men for a similar work, the average contributions are equal. This not only shows unfairness but also economic inefficiency, which means that resources are not using efficiently where individuals are rewarded by their gender rather than the contributions to the production. Let's move on the next topic, which is how gender inequality can deter in investment in the human capital of women and girls. Gender equality play a significant role in shaping the landscape of human capital and investment for women and girls. Essentially, human capital refers to the economic value of a worker's experience and skills, including education, training, intelligence, skills, health, and other things employees value, such as loyalty and punctuality. Gender inequalities, evident in unequal access to education, healthcare, and employment opportunities, can significantly deter human capital development and investment in women and girls. For instance, when women are given the equal access to education and healthcare, their contributions bring the positive impact on the economy. This not only benefits the individual woman but also contributes to the broader economy by increasing the labor force, diversity, productivity, and innovative capacity. Okay, so now let's move to gender inequality impact on labor market. Gender inequality has a significant impact on the economy by limiting the full potential of the workforce. When women are not given equal opportunities for education, employment, and leadership roles, economies miss out the benefit of a more diverse and inclusive workforce. Studies have shown that reducing gender inequality and increasing women's participation in the economy can lead to faster economic growth, improved productivity, and innovation. Furthermore, economies that leverage the full potential, regardless of gender, tend to be more resilient and competitive on a global scale. Have you ever noticed any instances where gender inequality affected someone's professional opportunities or growth? Okay, so decrease the output. Gender inequality significantly affect the economic output and development of nations. Differences in wages due to gender discrimination, as seen in countries like Ireland, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt, led to notable disparities in productivity compared to countries like US. Additionally, gender inequality impact fertility rates, which indirectly affect the nation's overall output. When women face barriers in entering the labor market due to social culture of economic factors, it hampers our country's development on multiple levels. In essence, addressing gender inequality is crucial for achieving sustainable economic growth and social progress, as it influences not only economic outcomes but also broader societal development indicators. So now let's move to the topic that is reduce the GDP. Gender inequality impact a nation GDP because when women are paid less than men or face barriers to equal opportunities in the workforce, it limits their economic contributions. This reduces overall economic output and hinders economic growth. Closing the gender pay gap and promoting gender equality in employment is important for maximizing a country's economic potential and fostering sustainable development.